Okay, you had your summer fun.
Now it's time to focus on the projects you conveniently ignored in July.
Like that dripping faucet.
Or that one room that just never did get cool.
Let's face it, your plumbing took a beating this summer.
And if your AC struggled to stay ahead of the heat, imagine how fatigued your furnace will feel.
Don't enter a new season with the same old problems. Chapman Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing can help.
Our talented team helps you get back into a new routine with routine maintenance and repairs.
We'd be honored to unclog your drain, install new fixtures, tune up your heating and air system, and recalibrate your comfort.
Look, all these pesky procrastinated problems can't fix themselves.
Thank goodness. If they could, we'd be out of business.
Fall is nature's way of saying, hey, it's time to get stuff done.
So if your to-do list is heating up as the weather cools down, visit ChapmanSavings.com
or give us a call.
445-4489.